Welcome back to the channel, you kooks. Here we are. We got the best campsite ever. Got a big surprise for everyone. It's a beautiful fall day, but we got a new project, and let me show you here. Ta-da! So we got a Ford Transit. It's the longest one they make. You can see it's got a big old butt. Look at that. But yeah, we are about to embark on a new build journey. So we're gonna, and the van's name is Journey, so build journey seems fitting. And here we go, it's all empty. I just cleared everything out. I'm gonna pull the paneling off. But we're gonna be working on another build series, and this time it's gonna be more in depth and it's gonna be step by step, and we're actually gonna offer it for you guys. If you're interested, we'll have a early email sign up form, because when we release it, it's going to be a nice, concise build van, complete van DIY build series. And it's not gonna, we're gonna do some stuff on YouTube, but it's mostly gonna be on our own website, so you can find more there. And now I just got so dark, but here we are in the shop. And we got all the supplies. We got our Reflectix, we got our Dometic truck fridge, our lithium batteries, our windows, our Thinsulate. So we're gonna be going all in, and we're back at Kookz Customs, and we're gonna be working away. So we're excited to bring you guys some more build content, but today we're just gonna be chopping away at the first steps. And we're just gonna get this guy ready. We're gonna take these lights out, and we're gonna bring you guys along for another Kookz build journey. I think most of you have been waiting for this, and you've been tired of watching us do our thing on the road. So we're excited. First, we're gonna tackle some breakfast, and then we're gonna get back in there and get at it. We got Van Life Princess making me breakfast.
Princesses don't do all the chopping.
Van Life.
Van Life VIP All-Star.
That's right. So you know we got to show you the food, of course. But yeah, we got a beautiful, beautiful campsite here at Kookz Customs. You can see the van. We've been staying out of the van. And then we got our beautiful view. And here's our next project. Just kidding. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. So we're glad to be back, and we're gonna have a lot more content coming, and we're stoked to share this with you guys. And if you're interested, in the description there's a sign up for the pre-sale on the DIY van guide that we're gonna be putting out. So check that out, and we will get into it right now. The first order of business is just getting all this plastic out. I'm gonna make this wiring harness better. Just get all these things off. I'm probably just gonna zip tie all this so it's more flush, so I can frame it out better. I'm gonna take these lights out. I'm gonna take all this plastic off, and I'm gonna keep it. You wanna keep this because it's a great stencil to use later. So we'll just start chipping away, pulling it apart, and then I got it all emptied out, and we're gonna just, here we go. Okay, I got everything successfully out. Got all these Amazon lights out. It was a pain in the butt, but they're out, and now we got a new, bigger problem. We're out here, and it's coming down good. I don't know how much more work we're gonna be getting done this week, but there she is. She's a beauty. So here we are, just getting rained on. Let's see what my lovely assistant is up to. Woo! I found it. Oh, look. The Van Life Princess.
Yeah, I'm hiding. It's crazy out there.
Woo. So yeah,
Get homework done.
work is being stalled and homework is being done, but you guys got to check back We're going to be working on this project for the next few months, so you guys are in for a treat. It's a quick short video just showing you guys what we're working on. So I wish we could get more in depth, but it's pouring rain and it is Sunday, so I'm trying to get something out. So like and subscribe, share with your friends who got Ford Transits. We're going in deep.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully the hurricane season will be over soon because we want to start working.
Yeah, and don't worry, we'll be getting after it.